Hello kids, welcome to Amazesphere kids. Today we are going to learn is, am, and are. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at the boy. He is talking about himself. He says, I am happy. Say it with me.
I am happy.
Look again. He says, I am a boy.
I am a boy.
Remember, when we say I, we use am. Now let's learn. Is. Look at the boy. He is running. Look at the girl. She is dancing. Look at the cat. It is a cat. Great! He is. She is. It is. Let's remember, when we say he, she, and it, we use is. Say it together. He is. She is. It is. Now let's learn are. Look at the children. They are happy. Say it with me.
They are happy.
Nice. They are. Look at the kids playing. We are playing. Say it.
We are playing.
Now listen. You are my friend. Say it.
You are my friend.
Good job. When we say we, you, or they, we use are. Let's compare. I am happy. She is happy. They are happy. Different words. Same feeling. I. Happy.
I am happy.
Yes, I am happy. She. A girl.
She is a girl.
Yes, she is a girl. They. Playing.
They are playing.
Yes, they are playing. Today we learned is, am, and are. You did a great job. Keep learning with Amazesphere kids. Bye-bye. See you again.